What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the WPL's the new product, and this is called the C84-S. This is updated versions. Let's see this. This is the same as the former versions as C84-1, but there's something different. You can see the suspension is the same, but because the motors and the gearbox are not the same, are totally different. Now this is a normal gearbox. You can see there is a small brush motors here, and this is a gearbox. Now this is, we can see there is a bigger motors. It is maybe 380 brush motors here, and we can see there is a shift servos. This has 2-speed, and let's see, there is a metals universal shaft, so solid. This is differences. The S has a better performance and the solid universal shaft, and has 2-speed. By the way, the S versions have a waterproof for the electronic parts, so we can put this and the waters, and all the electric parts can work well, and even the servos, all servos. Let's see the moves here. Now this is the first gear, slow gears. Look at it, so slow, and it can reverse immediately. Now let's change to the second gears. Just put the brake buttons. Wow, so fast. There is something you can see when I suddenly put the reverse buttons, reverse throttles. It just brakes and it's not reversed immediately. I think WPL's thinks on this is a fast gear, so if the trucks reverse immediately and the gearbox maybe have some damage. Let's see, there is a turning light. And we can also turn off it. Just push the brake buttons for at least 2 seconds. You can see there is no turning light. And this is emergency light. Just also press the brake buttons for at least 2 seconds. Now we turn off all the steering lights. Sorry, there's something wrong about the tuning lights and the emergency light. Now we can turn off the headlights. Just press the activate button for at least 2 seconds. And we can turn on the headlights. There's something wrong, maybe. Let's see. There is also the tuning light and the brake light, reverse light on these S versions. And there's even the foams inside the wheels. And I think the suspension is better. That's all about the WPL's C84-S versions. It's updated versions. If you don't want to update by yourselves, you can buy these versions. And it's only a little bit expensive than the former versions. Now that's all about these trucks. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and make comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye.